channel. My name is Delene, and today I am going to be doing a review on my Gucci belt bag that I got about 3 weeks to a month ago. And you guys, I have been wearing this and so enjoying this piece. I think it's just it's such an amazing piece. I love how it fits me. I love how it looks when I wear it. I love this green and red Gucci regular colors. I love the GG on this bag here and the gold tiger. I'm assuming that's a tiger, and the leather trimming. Everything about this bag is just amazing. Now, one thing with this bag, I do want to tell you the strap length on this bag. So this adjusts from 33.4 inches to 55.1 inches. So I feel like this would fit a lot of people. Of course, if you're going to wear it as a belt bag. And also the width of this bag is 9.5 inches long, 6.5 in height, and 1.5 in depth. And it says it will fit whatever size cell phone. As you can tell, unless you have a phone as big as this sucker here, but it should fit. And let me go ahead and show you what the inside looks like. And here is the inside. And from wearing this in the past couple of weeks, I'm telling you guys, I have gotten looks, I have gotten people complimenting me, and I think it's the strap, the popular green and red, and I think it just draws people's attention to this bag. And what I normally carry in this bag, now that I've carried it, well, before I do that, let me go ahead and show you what my bag of the day is. I just did a video on this piece here, and you guys, I've only been carrying this. This is my 4th time carrying this bag, and I am loving it. It is so pretty. It's a winter white, so I feel like I can wear it on sunny winter days when it's nice and cold, and I feel like it goes with what I'm wearing today. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you what fits or what goes into my Gucci, what I normally carry. So I don't always carry this, but today I am, because I am going to switch into it. I got my Gucci lipstick here, which I think is so pretty. Only Saks sells this. It says Saks exclusive. So I thought that was really pretty. And I carry mints. My card holder. This is a Miu Miu card holder. I don't think I've ever talked about this one, but it carries a lot of cards, as you can see here. I don't have any cards in it right now. I am going to switch into it, and I love the teal color so much. I don't have anything teal. And then you can go ahead and put your dollar bills or change in here, but it holds a lot, and it is just such a pretty piece. So Miu Miu is Prada's daughter, I think it is. So look at that. So that will go in here really nicely. So I got that, and I literally bought these sunglasses. They're little cheap sunglasses, but they're very flat, and I can throw that in there without a problem. And then I will put my Chanel lip moisturizer into my bag here. And then of course I will need my keys. Where's my keys? Here are my keys. And then my phone here. So that's what I usually would carry in my bag. Now this bag, I think I talked about it on my unboxing, but this is not removable, you guys. So I wish it was, but I wouldn't know what I would do with it if it was removable. I love how I can wear this as a shoulder, crossbody, belt bag, whichever way. It's a very versatile bag. Instead of it just adjusting only, you can take it off and on this way, and you can also adjust it this way. And I love the brass hardware on here because it has the antique look, which I think is so pretty, and right here too. Now I've noticed when I was wearing this that the ears kept on snagging on this sweater I had. So what I did was I put clear nail polish just around the ear area so it wouldn't snag onto my sweaters. I could not believe how much it would snag. So that's really helped a lot, and you cannot tell the difference. So it doesn't matter to me, just as long as it doesn't snag my clothes. So anyways, you guys, let me go ahead and show you how I do wear this bag. This is one of my best purchases, I feel like, in 2020, because I did get it in December, I think, December. So it is one of my favorite purchases of 2020, and I'm so glad I got this. I'm surprised that I haven't gotten it beforehand. I wish I would have, because that's how much I like this piece. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on. So this is how I have been wearing this. So this is how I've been wearing this bag here. And I thought that was really cute. I like how it's close, and I like that it's flat. And I have been getting compliments on this bag. And looks, I think it just, this red, like I said, and green strap just definitely catches people's attention. But look how cute that is. It is such a cute piece, and I am loving it. So, and I can either wear it like this as well. And I've pulled it this way when I was carrying my dog. So I thought that was even super cute, which I don't like to wear it too much that way because I don't want people to have access to my bag. But I feel like I would be able to feel it because the magnet on this bag is so strong. So you go, you guys, here you go. This is the way my bag looks, and I love the fact that the magnet is super strong. I don't really worry about this bag opening up and spilling everywhere or losing a lipstick because the magnetic closure on this bag is pretty strong, as you can see here. So that's a big plus for me. And another plus is that this is canvas. I am going to put some stain spray on here just in case maybe I don't know, might spill something. Who knows? Maybe I'll get chocolate on it. I don't know. But I'm definitely going to make sure I take care of this. It is such a cute piece, you guys. Oh yeah, if the strap did come off, I could have easily used it like a clutch, but it's still gorgeous. It's gorgeous. This is, and the price point on this piece is such a good price. I feel like, I think it was $9.80. I think it was $9.80 is what I said. I'll link my video on this bag when I first got it, my unboxing or unbagging. This is just an amazing piece, you guys. I definitely highly recommend this bag. I think now they came out with one similar to this, but I think it has the GG, so it's the Marmont belt bag with some character on it. It is super cute, and it's still the same price as this. It is just so cute. You guys should check out the website. So it's not something, I don't know if I would have gotten that or not, but I did want some classics, just straight, no, you know, nothing with any pictures on it, because I do favor things that are limited edition and stuff like that. And me getting this here, I was so excited because it was one of the classics. My essay laughed at me because I told him my next bag is going to be a Alma BB in the monogram, but he just like, why don't you get something different? And I said, well, maybe a Neverfull MM in the dominant bin. He's like, no, not something like that. I was like, okay, so those are the two that I wanted. But then I did go to the Louis Vuitton store when I got this, and I am getting one other bag. My husband's gonna get it to me for my anniversary slash Valentine slash birthday, because they're all kind of close. Well, February is Valentine's. May is my birthday, so I guess it's not that close, and then June is our anniversary. So, and he had got me stuff already. He got me this, and then he got my double zip pochette and my card, no, my passport holder, and then my bag charm. So I got enough stuff. So anyways, you guys, thank you for watching my channel. I so enjoy doing this. I just don't always have the time. It's so sad. I used to film and release videos every Friday to Saturday, and now I don't even have time to do that. So I do apologize. I'm trying to make time. Anyways, you guys, I guess that's all I've got to say. You guys have a wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye.